And the price is amazing. Yes, the price is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I gotta get this. Oh, yes. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to be talking about, is it full bottle worthy or not? Okay, so if you're interested in hearing my thoughts, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, how are you all doing? Welcome back, yeah. You know, your sister had to do a little off, a little extra something for the 1-2. Okay. But hi, family. Hey, and if you're new to the channel, we have fun. Honey, we are all family, sisters, brothers, aunties, uncles, cousins, family around here, okay? So if you want to join the family, we would love for you to hang out with us and subscribe. Anyway, honey, let's talk about it. I have 5 samples, okay? And I want to see, is it full bottle worthy or not, okay? I've done this video a couple of times, a 2 or 20. I've done it with my friends. I've done it, by myself. But we're just going to get right into it, okay? Because some of these have been on my wish list. And let me know. Comment down below. Let me know if you all want to kind of walk through my wish list. Some of the things that I've been looking at, some of the new releases that are coming out. Just let me know if you all want to kind of walk through that together. Because, honey, we got lists around here. I mean, some of our family members can purchase up to the days. But your sis right here, now I gotta make a list, and we gonna have to plan, and then we gonna see which one comes next, and then that's how we gonna do. Cause that's how it work right here. But anyway, family, let's get into it. So first up, I have Goldfield and Banks Silky Woods. Okay, this has been on my wish list. Most of these I purchased from Lucky Scent, and you know how Lucky Scent, when you get a sample, they also say, hey, they're going to send you some free samples and kind of what would you like. And in that comment, I was like, I love a Gourmand, so send me some Gourmand. So some of these I don't even know about. I've never heard of them, but some of them I have, right? Extra, like left again. Anyway, Goldfield and Banks Silky Woods. Let's see if it is full bottle worthy or not. Let me spray. So they come in these little testers. They don't come in things like this. Honey, I got this from Amazon. Okay, so I transferred the juice from what they send to this because I like a good old spray, honey. I can't do no dabber or whatever the thing is from Lucky Scent that they send you. Honey, a mess.
This is garbage.
We're not going to talk about that. We're going to wait for that another video. Anyway. Ooh, and this is prominent. Whoa. Yo girl is speaking loud. Okay, Goldfield and Banks. Okay. And I don't have any Goldfield and Banks fragrances. Okay, I like this. This is definitely a amber woody type of fragrance. Definitely that. Okay, but it doesn't give me running through the trees, burning forwards. It does give me more of a feminine type of flair and a wood scent. Oh, this is good. I like this. Now, would it be full bottle? I would purchase a full bottle, but I'm not out like running now. Like I got to get it today. It's not one of those. It's not one of those movements. But it's really good. I would definitely get a bottle of this. This would definitely be on a wish list. Might be towards the bottom of my wish list. So I'm glad I got to test it out. But it is pretty. Very pretty. If you like a wood smelling scent, a vanilla, because I can smell the vanilla in this. I can even smell a little bit of a creamy type of note in this. Interesting. Let's get into the notes while I'm trying to what do I smell? Let's get into the notes. So we have Ceylon cinnamon, saffron. We have middle notes of suede, oud, mascar, ylang ylang, jasmine's in this. We have some Tahitian vanilla, some tobacco leaves, some sandalwood, Australian sandalwood at that. We have some oil banum, and we have some musk. So really good notes. I smell the vanilla in this. Now, it's not too sweet of a vanilla, like your cookie candy cutter cookie cake, like the stuff that I like. It's not that type of vanilla, but it is a beautiful vanilla, right? I love all types of vanilla. It doesn't have to be like gourmand cakey, but I do like that. But there are other types of vanillas that I like. And this is really good. Oh, wow. As it's drying down, that vanilla is popping up more. Wow. Okay. Well, maybe it's not at the bottom of my wish list. It might move to middle. Oh, I would get this. Definitely I'm enjoying the dry down better than the initial spray. And I talk with my hands.
Really?
You know, all of this, that's your sis. It's okay. Okay, you all. That's one to add to the list. Again, mid. It is a coin. Okay, it's about $2.35. I saw. So if there are any sales, maybe there are other sites that has it cheaper, which I would probably look out for like a sale or it to become a little bit more cheaper, because $2.35. I don't know if I would pay $2.35 for that fragrance. It's beautiful, but I don't know if I would pay in a 200 range for that. So that's just me, okay? Cool. All right. So we might do that. Okay. Definitely I would say full bottle worthy, okay? Definitely that. Moving on. Next up, I have Maison Taite Floranilla. Okay, have you all heard of that? I've never actually heard of a Maison Taite. And I hope I'm pronouncing that right. We'll put the bottle up so that you all can see what it looks like. But this is a niche brand. I've never even heard of it. So I'm excited to test it now and smell it and see what my initial thoughts are of this fragrance. Let's say. Oh. Oh.
Well, we're waiting.
Y'all like, oh, sis, what do it smell like? Okay, so I feel like there's either oud or a leather note in this. I definitely get that. Maybe a rose or a floral. Well, it did say floral. Yeah, it would be. Yeah, that would make sense. Okay. Not my favorite, I will say. Okay, this would not be full bottle worthy for me. However, I feel like if this was popular, I could see why.
No, sir, I don't like it.
You know, it does give me, it's very different.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
I can't even explain it. It's very different.
Hated it.
So if you like a leather, floral type of scent, definitely very powder. Like I smell the powder.
I don't like it.
Just like knocking you out. So I don't know if it has like a I or whatever powdery note in it. But to me, this This gives me definitely niche quality, but maybe for, I don't want to say an older person.
You smell like old people and soap.
I don't want to say older, but it does not give me like an everyday youthful. It doesn't even give me like out of the shower. Because sometimes when I think of powdery, I think of like, you know, out of the shower powder, just really nice. No, this wouldn't be my jam. So this would not be full bottle worthy for me. But let's go over some of the notes. Let me see. We have violet. So maybe that's where the powder is coming from. We have heliotrope, Italian tangerine, middle notes, vanilla absolute orris, base notes, vetiver, and myrrh. Oh, maybe it's the myrrh that has that smell that I'm like, what is that?
I think she's got it. I think she's got it. By George, she's got it. By George, she's got it.
So none of the things that I thought, like the oud, the leather, but that's what it gives me. It gives me like definitely floral. Oud leather with the myrrh. Okay. It has like this undertone of wood. Not like a burning wood, but like a bark. Like if I were to smell a bark, it's not my favorite. I don't like it. It's not full bottle for me. Nah, this wouldn't be my jam. Okay. And it's price wise it's about $120 and it came out in 2020. So I mean, if this is your jam, if you like this scent, cool. But this wouldn't be for me. Like I couldn't even put it somewhere. I'm trying to even like, where would I wear it? Like almost like what my niece said about one of the fragrances that I like. Like, where are you wearing this to? I don't know where I would wear that to. Yep. Not full bottle worthy. Moving on. So next up, I have, believe it's pronounced Kyse or Kyse or however you pronounce it. I'm going to just say Kyse. If I'm wrong, then I'm just wrong. But Kyse Perfumes, which I'm becoming a lover of hers. Like, she is like becoming my heart because like Gourmand, things that I have smelled, I have enjoyed. So this is the Kyse Praline Oud Caramel, okay? Let's see if I will be adding this one because I will be adding a lot to my collection from her. Honey, yeah. And the price is amazing. Yes, the price is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I gotta get this. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, I have to get this. Like, ASAP. Oh my goodness, ASAP. I have to get this. This has to be in my collection. Wish list is like top of the wish list. Like, this is number one now. Like, I have to get this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh my goodness. This is like my favorite I've smelled thus far from her. Oh, wow, you all. Okay. I keep saying, you're like, what, sis? If you like a caramel, Gourmand, Praline salt, oh my gosh. This is amazing. Okay, let's go over the notes. So we have caramel, coconut. Oh, maybe it's the coconut. Praline salt, and pistachio. Oh my God. Oh, I'm getting this. Oh, I'm getting this. Oh, I'm getting this. And this is $75. Oh, I'm getting this. The price is amazing. Oh. Full bottle, absolutely. Like, we don't even have to say full bottle or not. Like, this I am getting. This is amazing. And it was projecting, and I wonder how long this lasts. Ooh, could this be my scent of the day? Get this. We gotta get this. Family, we gotta get this. This is good. Again, if you like a caramel, salt. Oh my goodness. Maybe the creamy note in it, because it didn't up front give me coconut, but maybe the the creaminess of it gave me is the coconut note. We got to get this. Okay. Definitely full bottle. Moving on. Next up, we have a popular one, honey. I know I've seen Chi have it. I've seen AI the Great have it. I've seen so many people. Like, I mean, we could go on for days. Like, there's so many fragrance influencers that have this. Okay, I don't have this. I'm trying to get there, but I don't have this. But this is Nishane 100 Silent Ways. Like, I think even Sheree had, like, a lot of influencers have this and have spoken very highly of this. I've never gotten my nose on it. I've never smelled this before, so this is my first time. And some of you all might even have this. I'm very interested because it's all the rave. Like, a lot of people like this. This is, like, very popular. I'm going to stop talking now. Okay, perfect. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. You know what? When I first smell this, this is what it gives me. It gives me like C Passione, like from Giorgio Armani. It gives me that type of vibe. Okay. Oh. It almost gives me like a hypnotic poison type of vibe too. Oh, this is good. Okay, I see why y'all like this. Okay, this is good. Definitely will put this on my wish list. It's not as high as that Kyse, that caramel praline one that I just, yeah. I gotta get that tomorrow. But this one will be put on my list. Okay, this is very, very much girly, pleasant. I can see this for every day. It gives me that type of vibe. Okay. All right, let's go over some of the notes. We have top notes, tuberose. Oh, I should have known. Tuberose, yep. Peach, mandarin, orange. Middle notes, we have gardenia. We have jasmine, orris. Space notes, vanilla, sandalwood, and vetiver. Oh, yeah, I would get this. Okay, I like this. I like it. Okay, y'all. I see y'all. Okay, I would put this on my wish list. This is really good. Very pleasant. But again, it gives me that C Passion. C Passiones, if that's how it's pronounced. C Passion, Passiones, tomato. That one, the red bottle, Giorgio Armani. It gives me that vibe, and it also gives me like hypnotic poison Dior vibes. It kind of gives me that at first sniff. I would love to see how that dries down, and I see y'all. Okay, I like that. All right, moving on. Well, that's all, family. That is all for my full bottle worthy or not. I hope you liked this video. Had a ball as always. Please subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And make sure, family, that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo sis just did. Bye, family. Love you. Bye.